Hello boys and girls, say hello to this. You have been waiting for this one. This is the iPhone 17 Pro Max. I've got the 1TB version here with me. This year Apple has gone all out with the iPhones. They've become slimmer, more faster, more powerful, and they come with insane cameras. We're also going to talk about the most controversial color of the year. It's the cosmic orange, but as you can see, I've got the silver one with me over here, and I am going to tell you why this silver is the actual color you should be buying if you're in India or anywhere in the world. So without any further ado, let's begin the unboxing of the all-new iPhone 17 Pro Max. And before we do that, do not forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends who have been waiting for the iPhone 17 Pro Max over here. Let's begin. All right, let's get straight into it. Inside the box, as usual, Apple keeps it minimal. You've got the iPhone 17 Pro Max itself. You get a USB-C to C charging cable, a SIM ejector pin, and that's about it. No charging brick, no Apple stickers, not even one. Apple says it's better for the environment, but hey, it's definitely not better for us Apple fanboys. Now let's talk design. You know, the iPhone 17 Pro Max has a heat-forged aluminum unibody now. It feels solid, but it's noticeably slimmer in the hand compared to last year's model. But the real story here, colors. Now, Apple's introduced the cosmic orange and the deep blue, and people are going crazy for the orange one. But here's the truth, the silver is the Ferrari of the lineup. No fingerprints, no flashy vibes, just clean, timeless, and it screams old money. Now, cosmic orange is more McLaren, loud, exciting, definitely eye-catching, but the silver, that one looks classy even 5 years down the line. Now, when it comes to the display, Apple has gone for the overkill. You are looking at a 6.9-inch OLED with a peak brightness of 3000 nits. That's cinematic level brightness on your phone. HDR content should look insane. Outdoor visibility should be unmatched. And honestly, they say that this is the best display that you can have on a smartphone yet. Definitely in first impression looks like the best display on an iPhone that I have seen till date. And it has to be better, it's the new one, of course. Now, when it comes to the cameras, Apple is flexing this time. All three rear cameras are now 48 megapixels, main, ultra-wide, and telephoto. You also get up to 8x zoom, which is an optical zoom. The front camera, it's an 18 megapixel with center stage for video calls and 4K recording. Plus, Apple's added a brand new dual capture mode. You can shoot with the front and back of the cameras at the same time. Perfect for vloggers, creators who want reactions and scenes in one take. It's a total game changer. Performance-wise, under the hood, it will have the Apple's latest chip. It is paired with 1 terabyte of storage, which is the one that I have over here. It's got a massive 5000 milliampere battery. Apple claims that you can get about 37 hours of video playback time, which is great for this phone. Now, Apple has put in Apple Intelligence on the new iPhone here as well. And though Samsung has been trolling Apple that your phone is just a brick if it does not have AI in it. But hey, Apple Intelligence is all about AI. You still get those visual intelligence. You get live translations this time around, as well as cleanup on your cameras, and that's pretty much what you will be using. It comes with ChatGPT built into it, and the Siri on it will function really well as well. So for people who will be saying that Apple does not have AI on their phone, well, they're completely wrong. Apple does have Apple Intelligence, they just name it differently. Apple's not just making smartphones anymore. You know, it has that smart assistant, editor, and translator in your pocket. So if you buy this phone in terms of AI magic, be rest assured it's all in there in this one. Now let's look at the extras. I've got this clear MagSafe case, priced at rupees 4,900. If you want the FineWoven case, it's $1,000 more, and this FineWoven wallet with the MagSafe in navy will cost you about 5,900. Together, the iPhone 17 Pro Max 1 terabyte silver is priced at 1,89,000. Now, this is what I've been calling an Apple iPhone 17 Pro starter kit. You get yourself an iPhone 17 Pro Max. That is a must-have for that bigger battery and that bigger screen experience. And for sure, get the 1 terabyte one if you don't want to buy, you know, storage on the Apple Cloud over there. It will cost you 1,89,900 rupees. You can get yourself a clear case of 4,900 rupees. It will also showcase the color of the phone that you are having with yourself, and you can get yourself a fine FineWoven Wallet for yourself. Now, if you just carry cards, driving license, a FineWoven Wallet is something that I will highly recommend. It kind of breaks the contrast of the phone there as well. It will cost you about 5,900 rupees. So for about 2,700,000 rupees, you will get yourself a starter kit, which will be more than enough for you if you're a creator, if you're someone who likes clicking a lot of photos, likes clicking a lot of videos out there as well. So is the 17 Pro Max worth it? If you are a creator, a power user, someone who just wants the absolute best iPhone experience, then yes, this is your answer in 2025. If you're stuck between colors, don't be fooled by all the hype. Cosmic orange is FOMO, but silver is forever. I am liking this more than the cosmic orange out there. This is the most powerful iPhone that Apple has ever made, and honestly it is the best one. That's what they say, but we are going to test it out in our review really soon. That will be coming out on this channel. I'm Siddhartha Sharma. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to more no nonsense, no fluff reviews and the latest tech and automotive on this channel. And tell me in the comments, silver or orange, which one will you pick?